How do I clean my oven door? Our tested and approved degreaser provides professional cleaning results on a range of surfaces and is ideal for cleaning your oven door. You will need to detach the door to clean it properly. First, open the oven and check that it is cold. You will need to lay clean towels down on a kitchen surface. Place the door here to prevent any scratches and avoid damages. When the door is open, you will see two locking levers on the hinges. These can be lifted up easily. Please be aware that they snap shut strongly, so they should always be fully opened and locked. Lift the door up, supporting it on both sides until you feel a resistance. Close the door a little more until you feel the weight of the door in your hands. And then pull away carefully with both hands, taking great care that you do not knock the hinges and close them accidentally. Lay the door on the towels and, wearing protective gloves, use a teaspoon to unclip and lift away the cover on both sides. First, pull the inner glass towards you, and then carefully lift it up. The middle glass can then also be easily lifted away. You can now spray the degreaser on the inside of the front glass with a cloth to clean away any trapped grease. The middle glass should then be slid back into position, under the catches as shown. Use the markings to check that the glass is the correct way round. The reverse of the glass can now be sprayed with degreaser and cleaned. You should then carefully place the inner glass on the towels. Use the degreaser and cloth to spray and clean the glass, avoiding the surrounding areas. The inner glass should then be turned the right way round, before sliding back into position under the catches. You can now clean the other side of the inner glass. Once finished, you can reattach the glass cover, checking that it has securely clicked back into position. To reattach the door, ensure you hold it carefully on both sides and make sure the hinges are not snapped shut. Be careful not to put your hands near the hinges. Ensure that the hinges are inserted into the opening as you replace the door and notches are engaged. Finally, close the locking levers and shut the door. To use this product, please follow these steps. If you need further information, please refer to the instruction manual. To find out more about our cleaning and care products, or to arrange an engineer visit, please visit the Bosch Home Appliances website.